You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk spark plugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn the engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. To access your spark plugs, you must remove the engine cover. To do this, start by unscrewing the air inlet at the radiator grille level using a Torx T25 wrench. Then, using a 5mm Allen key, unscrew the holding screw on the air inlet conduit. Remove it. Finish by unscrewing the last 3 screws on the engine cover and remove it. Unclip the wires. Then, delicately, pull on the coils to release them. Separate everything in such a way so that it doesn't get in the way as you work on the spark plugs. Clean the spark plug channels with compressed air or a vacuum cleaner. Using a socket wrench or a T-handle wrench, a big extender and a 16mm spark plug socket, unscrew the spark plug and finish by hand to save time.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.
Take the new spark plug. Replace the new spark plug by inserting it directly into the spark plug socket, which will allow you to bring it delicately to the screwing support. There are several techniques for tightening spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the torque setting recommended by the manufacturer, or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. We strongly recommend watching our tutorial how to tighten spark plugs before carrying out this step. You can now repeat the same process on the other spark plugs. Put the ignition wire back, pushing it in as far as possible into the spark plug socket. You should hear a small click as it goes in. Clip the wires back in. Put the engine cover back on. Screwing it in place. Put the air inlet conduit back in place. Then screw it back in. Put the air inlet in place, then screw it in. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.